Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can enable and use voice chat in Roblox safely and easily. So the first thing that you will have to do after opening your Roblox is you will go to your settings, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Again, click settings. And once you're here, you will just have to go to privacy and content restrictions. And then you will look for communication and then click voice chat, which is right here. And what you will have to do is enable your microphone. And after that, you will have to make sure first, of course, that you are age verified and that your voice chat is enabled again. And now what you will have to do is join a game that supports voice chat. So for example, this game right here, as you can see, it supports voice chat as this is because you have this button right here which is microphone. So just unmute so that you will be able to talk. And then, yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.